Alrighty, welcome back to a new episode of Maxim Outdoors, everyone. It has been a while since we have done one of these cabin slash cottage tour videos. I'm just wrapping up a 3-night adventure out in Tuscarora State Park, and there is not a lot of good information about these cottages or the yurts. So I'm going to take you around, show you the premises here, and hopefully help somebody out there that might be thinking about booking one of these. So anyway, as you can see, I'm here in the parking area, and for good reason. These cottages are a little bit different. You can't drive to them. You actually have to haul everything back this road here, and it is a little bit of a pain in the butt, but you do get, I guess, a little bit more seclusion. So I did want to state that. They have the garbage area off to the right, obviously, a nice little playground, and also you do get cell phone service here, so keep that in mind. I know a lot of people, that's a deal breaker for a lot out there, but I will take you through and show you my cabin, which is or cottage number 4. There are 6 cottages here at Tuscarora. And then you also have the lake just a stone's throw away from your cottage as well. You can see through the trees there. So you have cottage number 1 here, cottage 2, cottage 3, and then 4, 5, and 6 on this side. Like I said, we are in cottage number 4. But as you can see, you obviously can't drive a vehicle back here. They do give you a whale barrel at the beginning, so you can kind of haul your stuff back here. There is a shower house, but here is cottage number 4 here. Very rustic, very basic, but I will give you the quick tour here. You have some electricity on the outside, but here we are. Drum roll, please. So the cottage comes with a pair of bunk beds here, 1 queen, 1 not, and has some windows. It has electrical heater and a broom, and that's about it. So yeah, this is cottage number 4 here at Tuscarora State Park. I can see why they don't post pictures online, because these are pretty bare and basic, but yeah, let's head back outside. And like I said, the lake is literally right here. I know I did the Spirit of Tuscarora Trail yesterday, and it's easily walkable from here. We'll go check out the yurts in a second. I'll take you into the bathrooms real quick just to show you, I don't know, the cleanliness of them. It has been very clean throughout my trip here. So just a quick peek at the bathroom. Trying to show you everything here to give you a good idea what to expect. And then over the hill here, you have the yurts. And I talked to some folks staying in the yurts yesterday, and they said they actually prefer staying in the yurts. There's more room. You have this nice little deck area. Doesn't look like anybody's staying here. We'll go peek around. Yeah, as you can see, nice deck area. You can see the lake off in the distance. And I think they are in the same price range, so keep that in mind. But yeah, that's going to wrap up this video. These are rentable from April to November. Cell service, you have a shower house, very basic. But yeah, it is what it is, right? So that's going to wrap up this video. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. If it does, leave me a comment. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Signing out here from Tuscarora State Park.